Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash, and today's video is gonna be, surprise, surprise, my boxycharm just arrived. So I'm filming this on the 7th, and this literally just arrived today. And for those of you who don't know, I am an ambassador for Boxycharm, so they send me this box for free and I just post about it. And I have no idea what the theme is this month or what's in here because, like I said, I literally just got it. But I'm super excited, so let's open this up. Okay, this is me editing this in. I didn't realize that when I got my September box and that I was also gonna get the Luxe box and that was gonna be shipped separately. So if you guys want to see a Luxe box unboxing, let me know. I'm gonna have this inserted close to the beginning. I honestly didn't realize that I was getting the Luxe box, so that's exciting. That's very, very exciting. If you are interested in Boxycharm, I will have my link down below where you can sign up for it, and I'll have the price listed on the screen here because off the top of my head I can never remember how much the box is. So this month's theme is Strut Your Runway, and there are 5 items in here. So first product is the Wander Beauty On The Glow Blush and Illuminator. This retails for $38. This is what the packaging looks like, and it has a highlight on one side and a blush on the other, and that's actually a really pretty blush shade. Do a little swatchy swatch. Ooh yeah, I like that. Formula seems nice. It seems like it's going to be very easy to blend out. Highlighter, unfortunately, looks like it's going to pull too dark for me, but maybe I can mix it with the blush and make like a glowy blush. I'm super excited to try this. So next item is actually kind of lame that I got it because I just got it, I believe, in my last box, but it is what it is. I can throw it in for a giveaway. This is the Basic Beauty Gel Lip Liner Duo in Latte and Cocoa. So I'm not going to even bother opening this because I have this from last month and I'm pretty sure it's the same shades, but I am starting a pile for a giveaway for whenever I hit 10K on TikTok. I will have some products to give away. Oh, and that retails for $24. The next product is Vintage by Jessica Liebesbekind. I don't know if I'm saying that correct. It is a sparkling lip gloss in the shade Pink Sequin. This looks so pretty. Not too much of a scent to it. It feels very sticky, which I'm not like a huge fan of sticky gloss, but some people are, and I don't know if I like this wand because it's like the small brush wand sort of thing. I much prefer like a doe foot, but I swatched that in the worst spot. But you can kind of see the shine on that, and it looks very pretty, and I will be excited to actually try this on my lips. And that retails for $25. Next product is the Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer. And on a side note, Ciate London actually sent me some other stuff to try, so that's exciting. But this is what the packaging looks like. Super pretty. That looks like it's going to be a shade that might pull a little warm, a little reddy on me, but I love the packaging. I love hopefully the camera picks it up, like the stars in it. This is in the shade South Beach, and this retails for $25. And last but not least, there is a palette in the box. This is the Ace Beauty Violet Sage palette, and I am so excited because I've never tried Ace Beauty before. But here is the packaging, and ooh, that's a pretty color story. I love that. Purples and greens and pinks. Oh, I love that. I cannot wait to try this out. That is so cute. This juniper shade, oh, one of my favorite greens. Even this like reddy color looks super gorgeous. That is Starflower. And this palette retails for $32. So the grand total for this month's box was $144, which is a lot of bang for your buck, considering you're only paying like 20 something for the box. I am pretty happy with, I'd say, 4 out of 5 products. I am a little upset. I'm sure if you're paying for this, you'll be a little upset if you got 2 items the same in a row in a box. But like I said, I can't be too mad about it because I am setting aside extra products for a giveaway in the future. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on and do a quick video showing everything that was in September's Boxycharm. I do showcase me using these products over on my TikTok and Instagram. I just sort of split up what I'm creating, that way not everything is all on one platform. So if you're interested to see how these apply, go check out my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. But yeah, thank you so much, Boxycharm, for letting me be an ambassador for the Boxycharm program. I am super happy that they chose me to be an ambassador. I don't know what else to say. I'm just very, very happy about that. But like I said, if you're interested in BoxyCharm, I will have a link down below where you can sign up for it. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like I said, you can also follow me on my other social medias. I am artistryxashh everywhere. Most active on TikTok and sometimes Instagram. Instagram takes a back burner, and I like never post on Twitter. But that wraps everything up. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!